Looking for a compact refrigerator that doesn't skimp on function or style? Meet the Bangson 4.0 cubic feet small refrigerator with freezer. A double-door mini fridge that's quickly becoming a favorite for apartments, dorm rooms, offices, and bedrooms. Let's take a closer look and see what real buyers are saying, the good and the not so good. Design and storage. First off, the layout is smart. This isn't one of those cramped mini fridges with a tiny freezer crammed inside. The Bangson offers two separate doors, one for the fridge and one for the top freezer. That means better insulation, more organization, and actual space for frozen items. Inside, you'll find 4.0 cubic feet of storage. That's enough room for drinks, snacks, leftovers, and even small meal prep containers. It also includes adjustable glass shelves, a crisper drawer for fruits and veggies, and door bins that easily hold cans, bottles, or condiments. Oh, pros from real users. Customers love the quiet operation, ideal for dorms or bedrooms where noise matters. It's also energy efficient and compact enough to fit in tight spaces, while still feeling spacious inside. A lot of reviewers also praise the freezer performance, saying it freezes ice cream and frozen meals without issue, something not all mini fridges can claim. And let's not forget the sleek black finish, clean, modern, and matches almost any decor. What to watch out for? Now, it's not all perfect. Some users mention that the temperature dials are a bit sensitive, meaning it might take some trial and error to find the right cooling levels for both compartments. Others noted that frost can build up in the freezer if you open it frequently or overfill it, so regular defrosting might be needed. A few people also said that while it arrived well packaged, the delivery time was slower than expected, something to keep in mind if you're ordering it on a deadline. Bottom line, if you're searching for a space-saving, double-door fridge with a real freezer that actually works, the Bangson 4.0 cubic feet refrigerator is a solid pick. It's quiet, efficient, stylish, and surprisingly spacious for its size. Want to see what current buyers are saying or check today's pricing? You'll find the link in the video description below. Whether you're outfitting a college dorm, upgrading your home office, or just need extra fridge space, this Bangson mini fridge might be exactly what you need. Pete, subscribe to Amazon Secrets Revealed for more real product reviews, affordable Amazon finds, and no fluff breakdowns every week.